Welcome to Chapa International. I am Nilamarajana speaking. This is Multidimensional Poverty Index by Niti Aayog. This is related to civil service men, preliminary 22, SBPO men, IBSPO men, CMAT. Because here some presentation there which you will find in the CMAT and civil service preliminary. In the main the question will come. The civil service main question are not what are the factors. There nothing will come from the poverty index. It will come from how you improve the index. And this presentation, how to improve the index. Not what is mentioned because it's self-explanatory. No need to what is the mention. I am not going to because everything clear. This is a art subject, not a science subject. Your concept to be clear. No. So how will improve it? Poverty. Poverty. How you improve the poverty? Poverty means you have to improve the economy. How you improve the economy? India is a virtual world-based country. What you need for economy? Because improvement means you need improvement rural India. If it improved, it will possible. What you need? One is for idea, innovation. You need internet. For material, you need books. India, everything is available. For internet connection, BSNL there. This is broad-based. It can be available. Also, government India has a broadband mission. They are providing the internet connection to panchayat levels. It should be extended so that at a limited cost for 1 or maybe 2 hours, a student can receive the rainfall at a reasonable cost, internet connection. Then material. India Post is available every panchayat. Understand? So they can get any books, any material, any research paper as per like. Because in Bhubaneswar, before 10 years, it is not available. Now in Bhubaneswar, by through some big e-commerce company, it is available. Similarly, this India Post can provide, maybe they have speed post, but it is not operating as for the rural India. Because some people doesn't know. But if they tie up with some big e-commerce company, the materials what is available in big towns can be available in the rural India, and also net into broadband connectivity also can be provided. So that a talented student without any money, without selling it land which the father is applying for the survival, can increase the knowledge in the field of education or field of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, I am not telling the entrepreneur like a software company. If one person can feed 2 to 5 persons, so that it is more than that, because he is protecting Indian civil fabric. Social fabric they are maintaining. So how is it possible? They need internet connection. They need materials. Materials, I am just telling. If materials are available, no need to go for maximum people will see the poverty in the which location anymore. Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, the people are going to World Rajendra Nagar, Mukherjee Nagar for civil service preparation. If they get the material connectivity in there, how in a local, they will not go. Because it is not essential. When the YouTube is advanced, it is not that much essential. That I am telling. Entrepreneurship can be developed through available to material and net connectivity, so that they can increase their talent in the educational way or entrepreneurship way. Second, science and technology. India, the science and technology very advanced. We may not be that much advanced to receive the patent or get a Nobel Prize, but the sufficient advance to increase this multi-dimensional poverty index. They have to sufficient because it needs a linkage between scientific knowledge and the rural people. Soil health card is there, government schemes are there, but it is not properly tickering to the rural level. Soil health card is available. You can know this is the position, this type of soil is suitable for this type of crop. This is the natural hazard we can get from the IMD, so that you utilize this scientific knowledge for your agriculture requirement, so that they will plan accordingly. So I need a coordination between the science and the rural people, because all location block is there, panchayat is there. Now the village panchayat system is constitutionally revamped. So it's possible, need a simple coordination. As a result, multi-dimensional poverty index can be reduced. Because one thing, a 136 crore population, government cannot give employment to all the people. So public and private sector essential, along it individual attend maybe in the form of proprietorship, maybe in the form of the partnership. They can be, if they feed 10, 12, that is sufficient. If it is sufficient to reduce the poverty, reduce the unemployment, bring the social fabric in a good condition. So we need scientific knowledge to the grassroots level. We need internet connectivity. We need material, so that what will happen? Rural sector can be diversified. Mind it, a country's foundation depends upon the fundamentals. In 2008, world was finished, but India was not there. In 2000, corona, agriculture survived. See, agriculture growth rate. Agriculture growth rate, now it is 20% of the GDP. So, if agriculture remains strong, whatever corona will come, people will not feed, they can feed the stomach. That's certain. So, agriculture and agriculture related activities should be given priority, because India is going to be rural based and very difficult to transfer these people from the agriculture sector to the town, because town also is saturated. They are not giving any, they are not generating income because due to automation. Manufacturing sector cannot generate income. So services sector going to face top competition. So agriculture should be diversified to a related field, so that we can give employment to rural people. So you can see what are the thing we can divert it. One thing is, see the tourism. The tourism, small country earning more, as a result they can survive. We are vast. What we don't have, north to south, east to west, everything is available. It can be properly exploited. Second, this agriculture sector, we can go to aquaculture. You see, in India, some location, if you go, they have the aquaculture, they have the poultry farming, everything is available. They have also food processing industry. So these people, this area is not poor. You go to southern India, western India, western India, some belts people, you will not find this type of combination. It should be available throughout the country. So, what do you need? Optimum use of water resources for agriculture productivity, diversify agriculture as a global demand, as per the global demand after meeting the national requirements, complete leakage of scientific research of the grassroots level along with the internet connectivity, food processing industry, cold storage scheme to avoid the helpless help in the market, horizontal diversity agriculture like poultry farming, sheep farming, aquaculture, social tourism. With this presentation, this is complete. If you like, subscribe, put the bell icon. Thank you.